f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 10x plus 24. Part A, use the factor theorem to show that x plus 2 is a factor of f of x. And part B, factorize f of x completely. So let's have a look at this then. So here for part A then, we need to show that f of minus 2 is 0, don't we? To show that x plus 2 is a factor. So if minus 2 is 2 times the minus 2 cubed, minus 7 times minus 2 squared, minus 10 times the minus 2 input for x plus 24. So that's equal to then, minus cubed is a minus, 2 cubed is 8, times 2 is 16, minus 16. This is 4, plus 4, 7 4s are 28 with a minus. Then plus 20, minus times minus is plus, 10 2s are 20, plus 24. So we've got 44 here, we've got minus 44 here equals 0. So x plus 2 is a factor. Now part B here. So we've got our cubic equation then, 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 10x plus 24 is equal to, well, this is a factor, so we can take it outside in a bracket. And then we don't know what the other terms are, but we know it's a quadratic, don't we? Because the highest term is cubed. So it's ax squared plus bx plus c. We need to find a, b, and c. So if we put in a value then, if we equate, or we can equate powers. So let's equate x cubes, because that's quite easy to do. 2 on this side. And the x cubed will be ax cubed here on the right hand side. So a is equal to 2. Okay, so now what should we look at next? We look at the constant here, because there's only one constant. So look at constants both sides. 24 on this side is equal to, and we've got 2c. So c is 12, isn't it? And now we just need to find b. And b can come from either the x term or the x squareds. So I'd like to do the x term probably, I think. It's probably best. So let's do the x terms then on both sides. We've got minus 10 on this side. And on the other side, we've got x times c. So that's c. And then that's cx. And then we've got 2bx plus 2b. So that tells us that 2b is equal to minus 10 minus c, which is 12. I've just moved the c over to minus c, which equals minus 22. So that tells us what b is then, isn't it? Move the 2 from times to divide. Minus 22 over 2 is minus 11. So there's our a, b, and c. So we can write that down now then. So f of x then, our cubic, is equal to x plus 2 here, times a, which is 2x squared, times bx, which is minus 11x, times c, which is 12, plus 12. Okay, so we've got x plus 2 then. And here we've got a 2x and an x, it has to be. And it looks like I want to write 3 4s here, because 2 4s are 8 and a 3 make 11. So if I put 4 here, that will give the 8, and here will give the 3. Both are minus, will add up to 11. So we've got, let's just check that, 2x squared. Minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11 x's. Minus times minus is a plus, 3 4s are 12. So there we are, we've factorized f of x completely.